Hey there. Welcome to the world of exceptional living room decor at Furniture Suite, your design guru. Today, we're stepping into the realm of interior magic as we explore the most captivating and trend-setting living room decor ideas. Stay tuned for a decor journey you won't want to miss. The most crucial elements of any living room: comfortable seating. Think of it as the heart of your home, where you, your family, and your friends can relax, connect, and create lasting memories. Don't forget to play around with seating arrangements. So, whenever you're choosing a sofa, chairs, or sectionals, always remember that your seating arrangement should be inviting and comfortable. For larger living rooms, invest in a spacious sectional sofa. With charming outlook, it offers ample seating, cozy nook for everyone to gather around, whether it's movie night, game night, or simply lounging around. Sectionals present a welcoming atmosphere that attracts people in. In bigger spaces, you can create zones for different activities: a reading corner with a comfy armchair, a socializing area around the sectional, and maybe even a cozy window seat for some me time. For smaller living room, use space smartly so that your living room feels open, functional, and comfortable. Instead of pushing all your furniture against the walls, try pulling it away slightly. This simple trick can create a sense of space and make your room look and feel more inviting. Use multifunctional furniture to make the room feel larger, and that also breaks the monotony. The aesthetics and comfort should work in harmony to create the perfect seating arrangement. The target is to make your living room visually appealing and a haven of relaxation. Second most important element of any living room is the coffee table. Now, when you are selecting the coffee table, there are a few factors to consider. First, styling coffee table with a sectional sofa. If you have a spacious sectional, consider a larger coffee table. It should be proportionate to the seating arrangement. A rectangular or oval-shaped table works well with sectionals, providing ample space for everyone to reach their drinks or snacks comfortably. Next, for chic chairs as your primary seating arrangement, you have a more freedom to play with the coffee table style. You can opt for something that complements your chic chairs. It may be a round, glass-top table with sleek metal legs for a modern look. This combination adds an element of sophistication to your living space. But here's the exciting part. Don't just think of your coffee table as a functional necessity. It's also an opportunity to add a touch of personality and style to your room. Consider trendy options like a marble-top table, a rustic wooden table for a cozy farmhouse feel, or even a transparent acrylic table for a minimalist and airy vibe. Now, let's not forget about the functional aspect of a coffee table. Look for tables with built-in storage, whether it's drawers, shelves, or hidden compartments. It keeps your living room organized and adds to the overall practicality. When it comes to selecting a coffee table, remember that trends and comfort can go hand in hand. Choose a table that enhances the visual appeal of your living room and serves your practical needs. Third important element for any living room is its lighting. For a perfect decor, lighting is a secret weapon to infuse life and character into your living room. It's not just about what you see, it's about how you feel. So, let your living room shine. Let's explore types of lighting. First, we have ambient lighting. Think of it as the warm, gentle hug that embraces your entire space. A soft, diffused glow from sources like pendant lights or chandeliers creates a welcoming ambiance that sets the mood for relaxation. Next, we have task lighting. It is your trusty assistant for those specific activities you do in your living room. Consider adjustable floor lamps or table lamps near reading corners, study areas, or wherever you need focused illumination. It draws attention to your prized possessions. Picture track lights highlighting your art collection or LED strips showcasing your favorite decor pieces. Accent lighting not only adds drama, but also elevates the visual appeal of your living room. Now, the million-dollar question is, which lighting is best for your living room? Well, it depends on your personal style and needs. A timeless chandelier or pendant light can be a statement piece for a classic, elegant look. On the other hand, for a more contemporary vibe, consider sleek, minimalist fixtures. If you have a larger living room, layering these lighting can work wonders. A chandelier for ambient light, floor lamps for tasks, and accent lighting to highlight your decor create a balanced blend of style and functionality. Remember, lighting isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling. So, when choosing your lighting fixtures, think about the environment you want to create. Soft, warm tones for a cozy evening or bright, white lights for a lively gathering. The choice is yours. Personal touch. Your living room should reflect your unique style, memories, and personality. It's not just about furniture, it's about infusing your soul into the space. First, let's talk about focal points. It is the most eye-catching part of a living room that catch your attention at once. It could be a stunning piece of artwork, a beautiful houseplant that symbolizes growth and life, or even an antique piece passed down through generations. This focal point serves as the anchor of your decor, setting the tone for the entire room. Next, let's explore plant decor. Greenery is not just a trend, it's a timeless addition that brings life, color, and positive energy into your living room. Choose a statement plant like a fiddle leaf fig or a snake plant in an elegant pot. Plants breathe fresh air into your space and create an inviting and rejuvenating atmosphere. And of course, family pictures, the cherished memories that make your living room uniquely yours. Create a gallery wall or dedicate a special shelf for your favorite family photos. Mixing family picture and some artwork is a wonderful way to showcase your journey and the people you love. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of candlelight. Candles add warmth and intimacy to your living room, instantly elevating the mood. Consider scented candles for a sensory experience that's both relaxing and comforting. Place them strategically on coffee tables or shelves to create pockets of soft, flickering light. Creating a cozy and personalized space is all about finding that perfect balance. Don't turn it into a cluttered mess or a soulless showroom. Make it a gallery that shares the beautiful story of your life. In any decor, your living room is your canvas, and your personal touch is the brush stroke that makes it uniquely yours. Now the TV wall, a central hub of entertainment, a captivating focal point, and a piece of art in itself. Your TV wall isn't just a screen, it's a canvas for creativity. Let it be a reflection of your style and a source of entertainment that brings joy to your home. Design a functional TV wall that will blend with your decor style. First and foremost, let's talk about functionality. TV wall, the ultimate entertainment center, making movie nights and binge-watching sessions a joy. Consider wall-mounted shelves or cabinets to neatly store your media devices, DVDs, or streaming equipment. It keeps your space clutter-free and ensures everything is within arm's reach. Next, think about design. Your TV wall should complement the overall aesthetic of your living room. Whether you lean towards a modern minimalist look or a cozy rustic vibe, your TV wall should be an extension of your style. Consider sleek floating shelves for a contemporary feel or a rustic wooden console for a cozy farmhouse charm. Now, how about enhancing the TV wall with decor? You can get creative, surround your TV with plants to add a touch of nature. Large potted plants or a cascading indoor vine can soften the look of the TV and bring life to the space. Arrange family pictures and artwork into the TV wall. Create a gallery of your favorite pieces around the TV to personalize the space and make it more inviting. And folks, the 5 essential elements for achieving a truly complete living room decor. Remember, it's all about comfortable seating, a stylish coffee table, well-thought-out lighting, adding a personal touch, and creating an appealing TV wall. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest decor trends, and please share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more exciting decor ideas, tips, and inspiration coming your way. Until next time, keep decorating and making your living spaces truly your own. Thank you for joining us on this